This is one of the best muffins that we've ever made.
Today we're trying one of your recipes for a flourless, healthy, tasty keto muffin. So Sarah and I like to call ourselves the Keto Twins Test Kitchen because we like to try and test recipes for all of you, and sometimes those recipes come from you guys. So Mary left a comment on one of our videos where we made McGriddle muffins, and she said, I have a better muffin recipe that doesn't have anything to do with keto flours and you need to try it. Fine, we'll try your recipe on this channel, Mary.
You're up. Come on down.
Come on down to the recipe is right. Anybody else grow up with Bob Barker? Okay, so the basis for this recipe is not gonna be flour. Zucchini. Sarah has a lot of zucchinis popping off these days. In fact, if you probably ask on Nextdoor, people will just like throw them at you if you drive by their house, because right now Sarah has a ton of zucchini and we're looking for recipes to use these up in. So we took a zucchini and we put a little bit of salt on it to try to draw out some of that moisture, and it has not worked that well. I mean, we did draw out some of the moisture, but I still feel like these are pretty wet.
That's a lot of liquid. What are you talking
about? But I still feel like it could be more. So I'm gonna dump this onto paper towels and squeeze out more moisture because we're gonna be needing a cup of drained zucchini for this recipe. And while I do that, we're gonna talk about the sponsor of this video, Element. So as most of you guys know, Sarah and I have been drinking Element every single day since 2020 because we love the way it tastes and the way it makes us feel on our keto lifestyle. That's because when you go into ketosis, you shed a lot of water, and inside this water are your electrolytes. This can leave you feeling tired, having muscle cramps or nausea, and we call that the keto flu. Element replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better. Element contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. And did we mention it's the best tasting electrolyte supplement that we have ever tried? Sarah and I really do like all of the flavors of Element, but our absolute favorites are the citrus salt, which is the OG flavor, and the grapefruit salt. You need to try them. Right now you can get a free 8-count sample pack of Element's most popular drink mix flavors with any purchase. Just go to drinklmnt.com/ketotwins. Find your favorite flavor or share some with a friend. Oops.
Yeah, almost missed.
I'm just gonna wrap it like a gift.
What kind of gift is that? A Tootsie Roll? What kind of squeezing job is this?
These towels have a perforated seam in there.
That's why I said it was gonna break apart, didn't I? Tell the people I said that.
No. By the way, our oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, so out of that entire zucchini, we got about 1 cup. So the rest of the ingredients that you're gonna need are pretty simple. You're gonna be needing almond butter. This is the nut butter that has like the lowest amount of carbs of the nut butter family. Recently we used cashew butter in a recipe, and we kind of assumed that they were the same for some reason, but cashew butter actually has a lot more carbs in it than almond butter. We're gonna be using things like cinnamon, vanilla, baking powder. The sweetener in this case is going to be like a choc 0 maple syrup replacement. You could use liquid allulose if you want. You could use a keto-friendly honey replacement as well. But that's about it. You also need 3 eggs. I've never actually made a zucchini bread or muffin in my life. In fact, the only couple of times we've used zucchini on this channel were to make keto lasagna using zucchini in between. And then we use zucchini as like a faux apple pie filling, which turned out really well. All right, let's get started combining together our ingredients. We have a cup of almond butter. That's thick.
So there's no flour, but there is
almond butter.
Almond.
Eggs. Keto maple syrup. Cinnamon. I'm just gonna mix it all. I don't know. That's what it said in the recipe. Vanilla. Baking powder. We're gonna put all of the ingredients that we're using in the description of the video. I have my doubts about this one. Weird.
I don't think Mary would lead us astray.
It smells pretty good, actually. You need a little bit of torque to get in there because the almond butter. Now we're going to put in a couple tablespoons of keto milk chocolate chips. All right, she did say to leave it out for 5 minutes.
Okay.
To kind of everything set. All right, we'll be back. We're using silicone muffin molds today, but if you are using just a regular pan, you're gonna need to grease the pan. We're gonna be using this scoopy. Just
be careful.
Goop. Perfect for the kids.
Those cups look smaller, actually. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think it's gonna rise at all?
I don't know.
Did it say how many muffins? Did Mary include that?
Mary did not. All right, we got 9. Whatever.
It probably depends on how much zucchini, you know.
Right. We're gonna stick these in the oven for 20 minutes.
Ooh.
Wait a minute. I think we need to put it in for a couple more minutes.
Okay.
Maybe these don't. Oh, are these done? I'm just gonna put it in for maybe 3 more minutes. Shut up! With the residual heat.
Okay. So the oven will be off,
Yeah.
but we're just gonna cook them a little bit longer.
Some of them are jiggly, which is weird. We're gonna let them cool completely. We're gonna grab some butter and we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try them.
Do you want to break one open?
Let's unpack it.
Unearth it.
Oh, they're still hot, but
Hmm.
moist.
Smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Those kind of look like raisins.
Yeah, I know. They were chocolate chips. I like these silicone things better. I think we made it with the McGriddle muffins. We were using the paper ones, or they were foil, but like we lost half of the muffin stuck to the paper.
Mm-hmm. Smells familiar.
They're actually really good.
Yeah, they're very, like you said, they're very moist. Very good.
Very flavorful,
Mm-hmm.
sweet. Bits of chocolate in there.
Mm-hmm.
Not really getting much of the zucchini. Maybe
No.
it's slightly, but it's not offensive. Zucchini is a pretty non-offensive
Flavor profile.
I'm going to put some butter on here. This butter is melted, but
Some very
I like butter on my baked goods.
A little like cinnamon, like Roadhouse butter might be nice here, like cinnamon.
Oh, the butter really just,
Brought it up a notch.
I mean, it adds fat, but this is really good.
Yeah.
This is shockingly good.
Well, Mary wasn't gonna lead us astray.
I had my doubts after she deleted her comment, but not before I grabbed it. Took a screenshot of it, went back to check, and it wasn't there.
Well,
so.
sometimes they just disappear too. Like, we don't really delete comments, so sometimes they just get put into spam. Like, if you leave a link, sometimes they can get put into spam, so.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
I don't know how many carbs are in this. We'll have to put that in the description below. Did Mary leave that information? No. No.
Hey! No, it's half and half.
Oh, okay. You're right. I thought there were 4.
We have never done that on this channel.
Yeah. I thought there were 4. So
We have
I was
never
like,
fought over what's left over before.
Yeah.
Anyway, wow. I didn't have much hope. I don't know why. Not much hope. I just didn't think I was going to be super impressed by it.
Yeah, same.
Especially with the butter. Don't forget the butter. With the butter on top. It's magic. I don't know.
I can't really taste the zucchini at all, really.
There's little green specks in it, but if you get over that, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm glad we only brought down 3 because I would probably eat another one. That is so good. You need to try this recipe. We're going to be leaving it in the description below the video. If you click more, it will open up the video description and you'll have all the links having to do with us, this recipe, and our channel. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out. Holy moly.
Yummy.
Wow.